Hello everyone. Good evening all of you. How are you all doing? So we are going to discuss about one more important topic today. तो हम लोग बस अभी सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं and today's topic will be about matter around us is pure. So as you all have seen on the pamphlet also आप लोगों को दिखा होगा कि हम लोगों का टॉपिक है आज का matter around us is pure. So one of the most important topic जो आप लोगों को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है because एग्जाम है और अभी you all have to be very serious about your exam. So I'll be guiding you about it कि इस चैप्टर में आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर करना और कैसे आंसर्स आप लोगों ने इसमें लिखने हैं एंड एवरीथिंग आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग विद यू. सो जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट, वी विल स्टार्ट इट अप नाउ. Princess, hello. Good evening, Princess. Okay, so all of you have joined now. Okay guys, quickly join. We are about to start with the session. Topic will be matter around us is pure. So this is one of the most important topic that we have to study today. I'll be discussing with you about all the important facts and then we will have a quiz also. Like the quiz will be on Unacademy Learners app. तो फटाफट से ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लो सब लोग. मैं आप लोगों के साथ क्विज का जो कोड है वो शेयर करती हूँ सो दैट यू ऑल कैन ज्वाइन दैट क्विज. बट क्विज जो है वो अनअकैडमी ऐप पर होगा तो आप सब लोग फटाफट से ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लो. जो लोगों के पास ऐप है वो लोग क्विज को ज्वाइन कर लो. वी विल स्टार्ट अप विद द क्विज शार्प एट 5:45. ठीक है, तो शार्प एट 5:45 क्विज स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तो फटाफट से अभी आप लोग सब ज्वाइन कर लो. ठीक है, सो दैट यू आर नॉट मिसिंग द क्विज. और क्विज का जो कोड है दिस इज 2300601. This is the quiz code. Quiz code on Unacademy. ठीक है, क्विज कोड ऑन Unacademy. सो गाइस क्विकली ज्वाइन. ओके, सुमित हेलो, गुड इवनिंग. सुमित फटाफट से लैब पे जाओ और क्विज कोड को लगाओ. ठीक है, हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे एट 5:45. At 5:45 p.m. we will start up with the quiz. Okay, and before that I'll be taking up the theory portion with you. Some question answers also I'll be discussing. Okay, chalo let us start now. Okay, so before starting with the session, just see what we have to study today. We will be studying about matter around us is pure. This is chapter number 2 that we are going to study today. Before starting, know me, I am Dr. Bhawna Aggarwal. I have a 3 years of teaching experience and I am taking your complete science on Unacademy. So if you want to study from me, a complete course and everything has started now. I am taking up your classes regularly over there for scoring around 99 to 100 marks. This is my target for science. You can join me on Unacademy. तो आप लोग फटाफट से मेरा रेफरल कोड भी नोट कर लो. दिस इज DBA11. दिस इज माई रेफरल कोड. फटाफट से इसको आप लोग नोट कर लो so that you all can join me on Unacademy Plus also by taking the subscription. तो वो कैसे ज्वाइन करना है वो मैं आप लोगों को बाद में बताऊंगी, not now. Now we will start up with the session. ठीक है, so let's put your thinking caps on and let's crack it. Okay, चलो let us start now. So first and foremost we all know that everything is made up of matter. हमारे आसपास जितनी भी चीजें हैं सभी matter हैं. Matter are of two types. One is a mixture and second is a pure substance. We all know about it, right? So there are two types of things. One is mixture, another one is a pure substance. तो अगर हम लोग mixture की बात करते हैं तो mixture क्या होता है? That is basically the mixing of two or more than two compounds in any of the proportion. When we are mixing them together it is called as a mixture. तो mixture दो तरह के होते हैं. One is homogeneous mixture and second one is a heterogeneous mixture. तो homogeneous mixture क्या होता है? Where the solute and the solvent they are thoroughly mixed together. they are thoroughly mixed together. That means उनको बहुत अच्छे से मिक्स किया होता है. We cannot separate them कि हाँ इनमें से कौन सा solute है कौन सा solvent है. They are thoroughly mixed together. Okay. Whereas a heterogeneous mixture is what? फटाफट से बताओ heterogeneous mixture क्या होता है? It's just a quick revision. You all have done this chapter. ठीक है, फटाफट से बताओ heterogeneous mixture क्या होता है? हिमांशु यादव, हेलो. चलो जल्दी से बताओ. What is heterogeneous mixture? Quickly tell me. क्या होता है heterogeneous mixture? हेलो मनस्वी, हाउ आर यू? ओके, जल्दी से बताओ हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर क्या होता है? इन विच सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट दे आर नॉट मिक्स्ड thoroughly, like a mixture of sand and the water. Mixture of sand and the water where the sand is not properly mixed up in water and we can see the particles of sand in the water. Some of them are even sedimented downwards. ठीक है, so this is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous क्या होता है भाई? अब homogeneous देखो सब लोग. If this is water, then if we are adding sugar in it, some crystals of sugar we are adding in it, then sugar plus water is making up a homogeneous mixture where we cannot say that where is sugar and where is water. ठीक है, clear to everyone? हाँ, the molecules or the substances are equally distributed and in heterogeneous mixture they are not equally distributed, they are unequally distributed, unevenly distributed. ठीक है, तो इसमें uneven distribution होगा और यहाँ पर even distribution होगा. ठीक है, clear everyone? इतना सबको समझ में आया? Now coming to pure substances. Pure substances कितने types के होते हैं? जल्दी से बताओ. What are the types of pure substances? Tell me the name of pure substances. कितने types के होते हैं pure substances? Types of pure substances. जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट quickly. See, हम लोगों को ना आज ये chapter पूरा खत्म करना है and we have to revise it. Not, I am not going to take the thorough portion of it because आप लोग पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं. अब आप लोगों की एग्जाम है. I am going to give you a quick revision of the whole topic. फटाफट से मुझे बता दो pure substances कितने types के होते हैं. Very good, Sumit, very good. Element and second one is compound. So elements are again of further subdivision होता है elements का. तो elements क्या होते हैं जल्दी से बताओ. What are elements? फटाफट बताओ. They are made up of same type of particles, same type of substances, or you can say the particles which are also called as the atoms. ठीक है, which are made up of same type of particles, that is called as the atoms. Okay, so elements are of three types. One is metal, second is non-metal, and third one is the metalloid. ठीक है, metal, non-metal and metalloid. Now what are compounds? What are compounds? I have blocked him, Sanya. You all also can block him up. Please block him. I have blocked him at my side. मैंने उसे block कर दिया है, but it will be visible to you all. You all can block him. आप लोग उसको block कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay. Please tell me what are compounds. Sanya, I have already blocked him. चलो बताओ, what are compounds? Who will tell me about it? What are compounds? Which are made up of two or more substances, made up of two or more types of elements in a definite proportion, right? In a definite proportion. Okay, so who will tell me the properties of metals? फटाफट से properties of metals बताओ जल्दी से. What are the properties of metals? Metals की properties क्या क्या होते हैं? Quickly फटाफट से बता दो. जल्दी जल्दी. Metals की properties बताओ जल्दी से. What are the properties of metals? Number one is they are malleable. Number two, they are ductile. Number three, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are lustrous, very good. Then they are hard substances. They have hardness in them. What else? They are very strong, right? Strong substances. What else they have? They are non-brittle, okay? Next, they are liquid at solid at room temperature except mercury. Okay, then they have high melting and boiling point. Right? Clear to all of you. So these are the 9 points: malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity, lustrous, hardness, strong substances, non-brittle, solid at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid, high melting and boiling point. So these are the 9 points that you have to remember about the metals. Now coming to the properties of non-metals. What are the properties of non-metals? फटाफट से बताओ non-metals के properties क्या होते हैं? What are the properties of non-metals? Okay, so there was some technical issue. We are back now. We were discussing about the we were okay, so I was discussing with you regarding the non-metals, properties of non-metals. I was discussing with you all. So now we will continue with the same. Okay, I hope people are still there in the class. Okay, so properties of non-metals I wrote about. They are non-metallic, non-brittle. I was writing that they are having they are brittle, they are bad conductors of heat and electricity, they are having non-lustrosity, they are generally soft, not so strong, solid and gaseous at room temperature except bromine, which is liquid, low melting point and boiling point is there. Okay, now coming to the next one is next property of this is they are having low melting and boiling point. Okay, now furthermore their density is also very low. They have low density, they have very low density. Next one is they are appearing in many colors and they are non-sonorous. They have low density and they are having and they are non-sonorous. Okay, hello Pradeep, good evening. Okay, next property of metal non-metals is that okay, next one is about the metalloids that we will be studying. Metalloids क्या होते हैं? Which are showing the properties of both metal and non-metal. They show some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. Okay, they show properties of metals as well as non-metals. Important metalloids are, example are boron, silicon, germanium. Many more are there. Okay, so these are the different types of pure substances. Now coming to the mixtures. So mixtures क्या होते हैं? I told you already. They are homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, and they are of two types. Okay. Now coming to the next important point is about the difference between, there are three types of things. One is solution, second is a colloid, and third one is the suspension, where you will get a most of the question in your exam. Solution क्या होता है, colloid क्या होता है और suspension क्या होता है. ठीक है, three things are there. Solution is the one in which that is mostly homogeneous. Colloids क्या होते हैं? They are heterogeneous but they appears homogeneous. Whereas over here if we see suspension they are completely heterogeneous. Suspension जो है वो completely heterogeneous होते हैं. ठीक है. So the solutions in this, no sediments are visible, no sediments are seen. इसमें भी no sediment seen. Here we can see the sediments. What's next? In solutions, no Tyndall effect. Whereas in colloids, Tyndall effect is there. And in sediments, there is Tyndall effect present. One more thing is that the solutions, in the solutions what you will find that they cannot be separated by a simple physical method. There you need to do evaporation or distillation or condensation. But in case of colloids, they can be separated by centrifugation method. In suspension, by simple physical method like filtration, you can separate the material. Okay, so this is a major difference. Solution का example हो जाएगा solution of sugar plus water. Sugar और water का अगर आप mixture ले लो तो then it will be a solution. Colloid क्या होता है? It's a example is milk, blood. Okay, suspension example is sand in water. So this is a major difference between solution, colloid and suspension. If it comes in your exam, I guess you all can easily write it down कि difference क्या रहता है solution, colloid और suspension के बीच में. ठीक है. So in case of solution there will be a thorough mixing. colloid के केस में partially mixing होगी, partially mixing नहीं मिलेगी आपको. Suspension के केस में not at all, the things cannot be mixed at all. Okay. So now coming to the types of solution, if I tell you about the types of solutions, what are the types of solutions? Number one is solution of solid in solid. Solid in solid. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल हो गया इसमें alloy. Alloy is the example of solid in solid. Number two, solid in solution of solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. Example will be sugar and salt dissolved in water. Then next is solution of liquid in liquid. अब हम लिक्विड में लिक्विड को भी मिला सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल विल बी एसिटिक एसिड. Solution of acetic acid. Number 4th, solution of gas in a liquid. Solution of gas in liquid. That is, example is soda water. Soda water is the example. Next comes 5th one is solution of gas in gas. Like example is air. Okay, clear to everyone? So different types of solutions are there over which you can get certain question in your exam. So I am telling you to the point what are the things that you have to study in this particular chapter. Now coming to the suspension. So suspension size varies and they are of different types. Okay, now coming to the types of colloids, or you can say the classification of colloids. Classification of colloids. Quickly join everyone. We are going to start with the MCQs in just next while. Please be there in the session, and if you have any of the doubts you can ask me also. ठीक है? So classification of colloids. Colloids में सबसे पहले आते हैं सोल. What is a सोल? Soul is a colloid in which solid particles are dispersed in liquid. Solids dispersed in liquids. Example, ink, soap solution. Second is solid soul. Solid soul means solid dispersed in solid medium. एग्जाम्पल कलर्ड स्टोन्स, जेम स्टोन्स जो होते हैं ये इसका एग्जाम्पल है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि रूबी, पन्ना, दीज ऑल आर द सॉलिड सोल्स. दैट मीन्स सॉलिड इन सॉलिड. नेक्स्ट एरोसोल. एरोसोल इज व्हाट? एरोसोल इज व्हाट? सॉलिड और लिक्विड डिस्पर्स्ड इन गैस. सॉलिड और लिक्विड डिस्पर्स्ड इन गैस. Example is smoke, hairspray, clouds. Okay, next one is emulsion. What is the emulsion? Emulsion क्या होते हैं? One liquid dispersed in another liquid. Liquid dispersed in liquid. Example is milk, butter, face cream, many more. Okay, next one is foam. Foam क्या होता है? Gas in liquid medium. Gas in liquid. Okay, foam तो जैसे हम लोग यूज करते हैं soap bubble, shaving cream, beer foam, like this. ठीक है? Next is solid form. Let us take it on another slide. 6th type is solid form. Solid form is insulating gas in solid medium. Example is foam rubber, sponge and bread. Okay, next one is gel. Gel में क्या रहेगा? Network of solid particles. Network of solid particles dispersed in liquid. Example is jellies, gelatin and hair gel. Okay, clear to everyone? So 7 types of colloids, ठीक है, and some types of, you have studied about the different types of solutions. Okay, now coming to the next most important point that you have to study is to find the concentration of a solution. किसी भी solution का अगर आपको concentration निकालना है तो वो आप कैसे निकालोगे? Concentration of a solution. Over here you are going to get a number of questions in your exam, completely numerical. Okay, so first and foremost I'll be telling you simple formulas, just remember them and then you will be able to find it very easy to do the question in exams. After this I'll be discussing certain questions also with you so that you have an idea कि हाँ एग्जाम में कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले तो हम लोग मास पर मास कंसेंट्रेशन निकालते हैं, मास पर मास परसेंटेज. सो यू ऑल नो कि परसेंटेज कैसे निकाला जाता है. सो अगर हमें मास पर मास निकालना है तो सिंपल है कि आपने मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट लेना है इन द न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, नॉट द सॉल्वेंट. ठीक है, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आता है कि अब हम लोग मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालें या मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट कैसे निकालें. तो सिंपल एक और फॉर्मूला है जो आप लोगों ने याद रखना है कि मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्लस मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. वेरी इजी, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्लस मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is another way of finding out. Second is if you have to find out the volume by volume mass volume by volume percentage, तो आप कैसे निकालोगे? You have to write it down as volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स आपने अप्लाई करना है. सो दिस इज फॉर्मूला नंबर 1, दिस इज फॉर्मूला नंबर 2. मास बाय मास परसेंटेज अगर निकालना है देन यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज देन यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. सो वेरी इजी टू अप्लाई. नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस and I would like कि आप लोग भी participate करो इसमें. I'll be writing out the question and you will telling me the answer. First question is a solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved in 370 grams of water. Calculate the concentration of solution. ठीक है, I am giving you certain options. You will tell me the right answer. Options are A 7%, B 6%, C 6.5% and D is 7.5%. So who can tell me about it कि इसका right answer क्या होगा? जल्दी से बताओ. कैलकुलेट करना है आपने कि सॉल्यूशन के अंदर अ सॉल्यूशन इज कंटेनिंग 30 ग्राम्स ऑफ शुगर डिसॉल्व्ड इन 370 ग्राम्स ऑफ वाटर. कैलकुलेट द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ दिस सॉल्यूशन. जल्दी से बताओ कैसे सॉल्व करोगे इस क्वेश्चन को. इट्स वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व दिस वन. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से बता दो कैसे करोगे. यू हैव बीन गिवन व्हाट, आपको 30 grams of sugar दिया है. That means you have the solute with you and you have been given the solvent. ठीक है, तो पहले तो सबसे पहले आप क्या निकालोगे? मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन निकालोगे because we have to find out the concentration of solution. तो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? 370 plus 30. It will be equal to 400 grams. Now we have this mass of solute we have as sugar, that is 30 grams. Percentage mass by mass, put the values 30 by 400 into 100, that will be equal to, simple calculation you have to do, it will be 30 by 40, it will be 30 by 4, that is 7.5 5%. So the right answer for this question will be option D, that is 7.5%. ठीक है, I hope clear हुआ होगा सब लोगों को. Similarly, you can find out another question also. The same way you can do another question also. Question number 2 is, if 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 550 grams of solution, calculate the concentration of solution. Options you have: option as A 25%, 20%, 30% और 40%. चलो बताओ, who will tell me कि कितनी concentration होगी solution की. जल्दी से बताओ इसका क्या आंसर होगा. If we have 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 550 grams of solution, calculate the concentration of solution. जल्दी से बताओ, who can tell me about its answer. जल्दी से आंसर बताओ, क्या होना चाहिए इसका आंसर. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. टेल मी द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. कितना होगा इसमें कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. Okay, you have been given the concentration of solute. This is the concentration of solute and the concentration of solution is there with you, 550 grams. ठीक है, so simple है. Concentration mass by mass percentage निकालना है. Put it as 110 divided by 550 multiplied by 100. So it will be how much? 100 by 5 equals to 20%. So the right answer will be option B, that is 20%. Okay. All right. Next, question number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Now you have to find out the volume by volume. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of solution. Options are A 25%, 20%, 10%, 15%. Hello Prince, how are you? Okay, quickly tell me the answer. A solution is containing 50 ml of alcohol, 150 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of solution. Prince, tell me the answer for this question. It's question number 3. You are answering me for question number 3 or question number 2. देखो इसमें 25% होगा राइट आंसर. ठीक है, हियर द राइट आंसर विल बी 25%. आपको दे रखा है 50 ml ऑफ एल्कोहल, 150 ml ऑफ वाटर. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ यू विल फाइंड आउट द मास ऑफ और द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बी 150 प्लस 50 इक्वल्स टू 200 ml. Now you have 50 ml of alcohol with you. So percentage volume by volume will be how much? It will be 50 by 200 into 100. It will be around 25%. So it's very easy. First and foremost आपको वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन निकालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. If 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution, calculate the concentration of solution. चलो बताओ इसकी सॉल्यूशन की कंसेंट्रेशन क्या होगी. इफ 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of aqueous solution, calculate the concentration of solution. Options are 4.4%, 4.8%, 4.9% or 5.0%. So if we just calculate it, अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करते हो तो क्या आंसर आएगा. टेक योर टाइम एंड टेल मी द आंसर. क्या होना चाहिए इसका सही आंसर. Two ml of acetone is there. You have been given 45 ml of the aqueous solution. तो आपके पास सॉल्यूशन की कंसेंट्रेशन है, आपके पास जो सॉल्वेंट है वो भी दे रखा है. तो कंसेंट्रेशन निकालनी है. सिंपल, यू विल पुट द फॉर्मूला. परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूट दैट इज 2 अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन दैट इज 45 multiplied by 100. So if we will multiply it, how much will be getting 200 by 45. सिंपल डिवीजन अगर आप करोगे so it will be 40. 9 5s are 45. Then we will be having the division, simple division, 4.4%. So option A is right. Okay, so this is how you have to sort out all these types of questions. बहुत आसान होते हैं questions. ठीक है. I'll be giving you more practice in the next session for the same. And this chapter is not so difficult. It's very easy. Separation of substances हैं, छोटे मोटे topics हैं जो आप लोग बहुत आराम से पढ़ सकते हो. काफ़ी लोगों ने आज लेट ज्वाइन किया है, बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग ज़रूर देख लेना. नाउ कमिंग टू द मेन पोर्शन इज दैट now on Unacademy you can have many more benefits that I am going to tell you about it. In the starting of the session I told you कि मेरा referral code सब लोग नोट करके रखो. I'll be telling you कि इसका यूज़ क्या है. So my referral code is DBA11 that I've just now shared with you. So a quick recap that what we have done today, we have studied about the mixtures. We have studied about the difference between mixture, colloid and solution, colloid and suspension. We have also studied about pure substances. We have also studied about the properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids. ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने आज पढ़ी है. Along with that, we have studied about the calculating the concentration of solution. So many things in just 1 hour we have done. So you all can go through the recordings at once. It's a quick revision session today that we have done. And now if anyone has any doubts from this particular topic, you all can ask me. Why, what, why, where, when, who, how. कोई भी अगर doubts हैं related to the today's session, if you have, you can ask me about it. Clear to all of you? Okay. So now What's your learning curve for the day? You have studied about matter around us is pure. This is for class 9th. So we have to complete this chapter, chapter number 2 coming in your exam also. So what you will revise today, you will revise all the content that has been given to you. Okay, in the today's class, and submit your homework. Where will you submit the homework? Submit the homework in the on the telegram link I am sharing with you. This is t.me/Dr. Bhawna CBSE. This is my telegram channel that you all can join, and if you have any doubts or anything, you can have a discussion also. So please join this group, and there you can submit your homework as well. So the today's homework that you all have to do is, you have to write down the difference between, write the difference between mixture and the compounds. Difference between mixture and the compounds, you will write it yourself, okay, because it is very important, and submit me over there the telegram channel that I have shared with you. Only one homework I am giving you on the daily basis, and next session will be very soon with you all. Till then, complete your homework. Okay, now coming to the most important portion related to your class 9th syllabus and how to prepare for your exam, that I am going to tell you now. Okay, on Unacademy we are having two types of subscriptions now, that is plus subscription and the iconic subscription that you all can have. In the iconic subscription, we are giving you So I was talking to you about the iconic subscription. So let us just come directly over there. So on Unacademy, you all can join us by using a simple, आप लोगों ने बस एक subscription लेना है, and then you all can join us on Unacademy. Now start preparing early so as to get the better results. Like, you all can use my referral code DBA11 to get 10% discount on subscriptions. Now get yourself subscribed for class 9 and you are getting the subscription up to class 12. On Unacademy, we have the subscription starting from class 9th to class 12th. So all of you can get yourself subscribed over here. So if you are taking the subscription for just 1 month, then this will cost you 3,000 rupees. If you are taking it for 6 months, this will cost you 10,000 rupees. For 12 months, this will cost you 15,000, 18 months, 20,000. But as you take the subscription for a longer duration, more discounts you will be getting. Discount बढ़ता जाएगा जैसे जैसे आप लोग duration बढ़ाओगे. So get yourself subscribed today for class 9th and get it done for class 12th. Because over here you will be getting live classes for all the subjects daily. Weekly quizzes are there, doubt solving sessions, practice questions and the test series. So many things at just one place you are getting. Then you have iconic plus subscription also. In Iconic Plus subscription, what you all are getting, you are getting the India's best educator, interactive live sessions, live tests and quizzes, Creative Corner. Creative Corner is something new that is available. If you have gone through the videos if you have gone through the channel properly, there is one thing that you can see is about the Creative Corner. I'll be telling you shortly about it. But first, listen to me about the Iconic subscription. In Iconic subscription, other than these features, you are getting personal mentorship, live doubt solving sessions, parents connect, and the study planner. So now join over Unacademy and get a personal coach for your Creative Corner preparation as well as for your studies. Okay, so here in Creative Corner, what we are giving you is very important. Like on Creative Corner, you can see that you are getting the Vedic maths, doodling, public speaking, origami, magic tricks, poetry, storytelling, robotics, mnemonics, and debating. So many features we have in this Creative Corner, and it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free for all. That means आप सब लोग इसको avail कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Hello Suchita. Yeah, Akriti, you are coming very late. I'm about to end up with the session. So just quickly listen to me about the last format that is very important for you, that why should you join on Unacademy, because here we have already started with the prime batch. Precision batch is about to start up now. Let's crack full syllabus and for pre-boards, and here you are getting the classes from Monday to Saturday. And there are so many ongoing courses like doubt solving features are there, daily practice sessions, daily free tests are there, challenger batches are upcoming, expert batches where you will get the classes by the 10 plus year experienced educators, target batch, fast track tracks will be there, so that you are getting a lot and lot of studies. And in these all classes, they are conducted in Hindi and English languages, and class notes are available after every session in the PDF format. So guys, don't miss this chance. It's a very important portion now that you all are in class 9th, and get yourself subscribed as soon as possible. Go for a longer duration one ताकि आपको maximum discount मिल सके, and Creative Corner is also included. That is very interesting and something which is very new. You all will definitely like it. So if you have liked the today's session, please do not forget to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. My pen tab is not working properly. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you are not missing even a single session on the YouTube channel. Okay, so like and share जरूर करना सब लोग, और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना है. Do not forget to ring the bell icon. Okay, so guys, see you all soon in the next class. Join on Unacademy Plus. Follow me there as by name Dr. Bhawna Aggarwal. Go to my profile and then follow me there. Okay, we'll be meeting very soon in the next class. Till then, thank you so much. Study well and all the very best. Thank you. Bye bye.